Hey Algebra 2, I'm going to make this box and whisker plot by hand, do everything by hand. However, keep in mind that there's a few different ways with that. I'll remind you about how to find all the data points using your calculator. But either way, you have to make the actual box and whisker plot by hand on the number line, and I'm going to show you some important techniques on how to do that. You'll notice the first thing I did was I put them in order. Alright, so once I have them in order, it's easy to find the minimum, quartile 1, median, the quartile 3, and the maximum. Those are the five numbers, the five-number summary that goes on the box and whisker plot. So the minimum, that's easy, that's 2. And the maximum is easy as well, it's 15. Once you put them in order, it's really easy. The median, you have to find the middle number. I noticed that there are 18 numbers here, so I have to cut it down where there's 9 on each side. And this makes it easy because it falls between two of the same numbers, so my median is 8. Now that I know that I have 9 on each side, I have to find the middle number, which is going to be, the minimum is 2, it's the lowest number, the maximum of 15, that's the highest number. And now I noticed that there were 18 numbers here, so I have to have 9 numbers on each side to find the median. Unfortunately, this falls between two different numbers, so I have to find what's right in between them. Add 7 and 8 and divide by 2, or just find what's right in between 7 and 8. It's the same thing, 7.5. Now I know that I have 9 on each side, so I have to find the middle number of each side. The middle number of the left is the quartile 1, the middle number of the right is quartile 3. So here, since there's 9 numbers, I should have that 1 in the middle with 4 on each side for both sides. So Q1 is 4, Q3 is 9, and now I'm ready to put those numbers in the number line. Now's the time I'm going to remind you how the two ways that you can find all these numbers on your graphing calculator. You can go to Stat, and then Calc, and then use the one_var_stats, one_var_stat function, and type in whatever L1 or L2 or L3 that you're using. That'll, if you scroll down, give you all those numbers. And you can also create the box and whisker plot on the calculator. Okay, once you've got those numbers, this is what you're going to do. You're going to plot each of the numbers. So your minimum is 2, so you put a little dot at 2. And then quartile 1 is 4, put a dot at 4. 7.5 is about right here. 9 is about right here. Maximum is about right here. You put a box around your middle ones with a line at the median, and then make your whiskers. It's harder to draw this on the iPad than it is by hand, so you won't have as many issues as I just had, but that's the general look of it. It's important that you have the number line where all the numbers are evenly spaced out so that it shows really how spread out each section of the data is.